Don't let the Vegas heat get the best of your car. Findlay Toyota, the sponsors of this next segment, are here to get your vehicle ready for summer.
One of the worst things that can happen to your vehicle is you drive in summertime and boom, all of a sudden your AC starts blowing hot air. Ugh! In Vegas, you're gonna melt within a matter of seconds. Now, the best fix to that is to prevent it. All right, I want you to meet this is Tim McFadden. He is with the Findlay Toyota Service Department. How important is preventive maintenance with a vehicle?
Yeah, preventive maintenance for us is the name of the game. We don't have a lot of mechanical breakdowns with the Toyotas, as you know, and our owners know. So we want to stay ahead of the curve. If there's any mishaps that we can get in the future, we're going to go ahead and do that.
It's not just Toyotas that you guys service. Do you guys service all vehicles?
Absolutely. We have a lot of our loyal owners that have been with us forever that have other makes and models, you know, in their garage at home. They like to come to us because they're used to our service that we provide.
Now, something like an AC goes out, or you guys are doing a preventive maintenance, looking at a vehicle, you find something wrong. Can you fix it right on the spot?
Most of the time we can. We have a very big parts department with lots of stock of whatever parts that we need. If not, we have options. We provide complimentary Uber service they can get home. We have a rental car fleet where we can rent them vehicles. That way we keep them on the road.
And you do have a multi-point inspection that you guys do with all the vehicles. Can you show me that?
Absolutely, yeah. Let's take a look.
Perfect. This is Jesus, one of Findlay Toyota's top service technicians. Jesus, what are you guys looking for in your multi-point inspection?
Well, safety is a #1 concern here at Findlay Toyota. We want to make sure that your customers' vehicles are safe to go down the road, you know, for those road trips, taking the kids to school in this Vegas heat. We don't want anybody broken down inside the road.
So you're doing tires, you're doing brakes. What about what's going on underneath, under the vehicle?
Under the vehicle, we have situations like most customers wait for that oil leak to be a puddle on the ground.
Yes.
That's actually not the case on 90% of the vehicles. You can have oil leaks present like here without having any evidence on the ground.
You guys will catch that stuff ahead of time. We'll get it fixed. What do you do under the hood?
Under the hood, let me show you.
All right. So this is an engine. What are we looking for, Jesus?
Well, we have, one of the things that we do is we top off all your fluids. But we do an inspection. There could be oil leaks down here. We have the battery terminals that can have some corrosion on them. And we have components like the radiator for the cooling system of your vehicle that may have cracks, and something that might not make it all the way down to the bottom. We're able to catch that by doing under the hood inspections as well.
This battery right here, looking at this, just your eye on this battery, is it okay? I see a little corrosion.
There's a little bit of corrosion there. This would merit a test, a load test of the battery to make sure that you're not going to be stranded, you know, after coming out of the grocery store. And doing a terminal cleaning of this would probably be appropriate for this vehicle. This
is something I think everyone should have done with a vehicle, especially going into the hot summer months. This multi-point service inspection. Catch the issue before it happens when you're out driving, right?
Yes, absolutely. You know, it's the Vegas heat. Nobody wants to get caught waiting for a tow truck, waiting for a family member to come pick them up and rescue you. So come to Findlay Toyota, get your inspections done, get service with us, and we'll treat you right.
I love it. Thank you, Jesus. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
next time.
Thank you.
Thank you again to Findlay Toyota for sponsoring this segment. For more information, give them a call at 702-566-2596 or visit FindlayToyota.com. There's more Las Vegas Now after this break.